Okay, this is the phone. You have to take out the SIM tray first. Okay, put it aside. Now you need to open the phone. Start from the SIM side like this. Open it right round. Use your pen set. Remove the cover right round. Okay. Okay. You remove the back cover. You put it one side. Okay. Now you need to take out all the screw. You make sure you remove all the screw at the back of the phone. So many screw. After you remove all the screw, you remove this rubber on top here first. Okay, you disconnect the battery, disconnect the LCD. Okay, then you remove the one down here, the ringer, because the LCD, the cable is connected here and connect to the charging system motherboard also, so you have to remove this back cover. Okay, now you take out the battery. You remove the battery. Okay, then you remove the LCD cable and make sure you disconnect this one also here to the charging system side. Then you put at the heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes so you can have access to take out the LCD. After you heat for 10-15 minutes, now you need to take out the LCD.
Thank you so much. Only one small things.
After you take out the LCD, take out the LCD first, everything, and make sure you remove all the glue right around the phone. You make sure you remove all the glue, remove all this broken LCD. Make sure you clean it very nice. You remove everything. Make sure you clean all the glue right around so you can have access to fix the new LCD very nice. After you finish clean all the breaking glass around, you clean the glue perfectly. Now it's time to put the glue. Okay, make sure you put the glue right around the phone. Okay, you be careful for the front camera. Don't put on top of the front camera so the front camera will not become dark. Okay, just put close to it. Don't put on top of the sensor so the phone will not malfunction. Just put close to the sensor and make sure you put the glue right around the phone. After you finish put all the glue, now it's time to fix the new LCD. You remove this rubber at the back here. Okay, the first cable you pass it here, and the other small cable you pass it here, the one that goes to the motherboard for the charging system. Okay, then you put the screen inside. Make sure you put the screen straight. Okay, make sure you fix it straight like this. You turn it at the back. You fix the LCD cable. Make sure you get the position well before you press the cable down. You push with this cable like this so you can make way for the battery to sit properly. Okay, so you make way for the battery to sit properly. Okay, now you fix this connector down here to the charging system motherboard. Fix it properly. Okay, and you fix back the battery. Make sure you fix the battery terminal first before you put the battery down so that you can get the right position for the battery. Okay. Okay. Make sure you fix it perfectly like this. Everything is fixed. Okay. Now you need to put the cover back here. Okay, you put the down one here, the ringer also. Make sure you put it well. Cover this side. And you make sure you put all the screw at the back of the phone. So many screw you need to put. Don't leave none of the screw. Make sure you put all the screw at the back of the phone. So many screw you need to put. You make sure you put all the screw at the back of the phone, like before you close the phone. After you finish put all the screw, now you just take the back cover. Very easy. Just start closing from the top like this. Okay, you just close it down. Close it right round. Don't forget the SIM tray. You make sure you put the SIM tray back. Okay, then you on the phone and test. Okay, now the phone is on. It's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.